Today I move out.
Bye, we love you. If this makes it to your YouTube channel, everyone be nice.
Good morning. Okay guys, so now I'm at school. I just got here. I'll probably go to the bathroom and make sure that I look fine. So let me do that and then I update you guys. Yeah, then I update you guys a little. Oh gosh, I feel nervous to be honest. Okay guys, can you believe that? No, of course you guys have seen this already, but I actually forgot to do my eyebrows. Wow. Rachel 10, you guys 0. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm going to meet up with my group members and then I'm nervous guys. I'm sure you can tell from the fact that I forgot the most basic makeup thing. Oh god. But I'm happy still, it doesn't matter. You're going to get Rachel without eyebrows. That's what you get. Put it so. Oh yeah, the sun is coming from this side. Wow. Good morning guys. So I'm at school today and I feel kind of, it's such an overwhelming feeling. I just can't explain to you how I feel right now, but it's like everything I've done in the past 3 years matters, of course, but today seems like the ultimate day that everything I've been doing has been leading to this day. So I just feel hella crazy. Hence I definitely forgot to do my eyebrows that I discovered when I was in the bathroom, but it's okay. So now I think I'll go get Starbucks and then probably meet up with my group members and get the day started. Oh Rach, I feel so good. I'm so proud of myself. At the same time I just feel nervous because gosh. Anyway, let's stop rambling and start the day.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet you all. Thank you very much for today. Perfect.
He was really good. I really liked this session.
Yeah.
Like this session
Very
was
productive.
I was just telling them today is one of the most important days of our lives as students. And now it's done, it's over. We're going to have a short meeting, right? Yeah. So now that the opposition is over, I'm here enjoying some soup. And I bought myself chocolate as a reward. It's about balance, guys. So this is gluten-free, lactose-free, amazing. It's broccoli soup, I love it. And then when I'm done, I'll eat all the glucose and lactose on the chocolate. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. After that, I think, oh, this twist, wow, oh my god, it's been a long day, guys. It's been long. Excuse the rough look, but I'm feeling great. Okay. Okay, guys, so now I am back in my apartment, and today I move out of this apartment completely, and as you can see there's a lot of things have been packed, things have come in already. And yeah, you're probably right, you're like, Rachel, you don't have a lot of things. Yeah, it's true, I don't have a lot of things, but the lady who's moving in here, she's already brought some of her things, but I haven't had time, guys. I've been really extremely busy. But today, now that I've defended my thesis, I've come here, it just feels like this chapter is actually closed. That it feels so real that I'm actually done with this, you know? It hasn't sunk down to me. On Friday, I don't even know, on Wednesday, I have a graduation party, like more like the one that has been organized for students. I'll be going for that party. I haven't even figured out what I will wear because it still hasn't sunk to me that I am done. And then shortly after, I think after a couple of weeks, I will be graduating, which it hasn't sunk to me because my main purpose of coming here was to further my studies. That's the reason I came here. And now that purpose is kind of course, no one is ever done studying, like there's always new things, but I think for me, right now, this chapter is closed for some time, and it's so crazy because I always thought that when the day I'll be done, I'll be jumping, I'll be there. But no, I'm just chill. I still haven't accepted that I'm done yet. I still can't believe it because it's been such a big thing in my life, and I still can't believe that I've done it, you know? I can't believe it. And now that I'm moving out, it's starting to sound real. I'm in my apartment with someone else's things in here, and it's still like, God damn it. Okay, well, but yeah, so Henrik will come here, we will move my things, and then I'll go back home. Yeah. So that's that. I don't know how to feel. Like, I have a lot of mixed feelings. Kind of scares me in a way because in Sweden, people have this thing that, like, you are together or close for a season, and once that is done, it's done, and people just move on. And I even remember the town that I lived in before I moved to where we live currently. I had a lot of friends, we had a good time. But the moment I moved out, that was like the end of actually all the friendships that I had. Yes, we see each other on Instagram once in a while, but that's how it is. And now I feel like, wow, this chapter is also getting close. It's kind of scary, but it's fine, we'll manage. I look forward to the next, and I look forward to being home. Oh Lord, I can't. Okay, so, and then, you know, something funny is like, I live with Henrik all the time. We are together literally every single day. But the fact that I've always had this place has always made me feel like, yeah, you know, I have my place, blah. It has always felt like, okay, there's something, you know, there's that level. But now I feel like, wow, this is it. I'm moving in fully. There's nowhere to run to when I'm pissed off. I have to be here. Oh my God, I cannot be messy if I want to. No, sis.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Yeah. Welcome home.
About to see.
Here's a mess. It looks like a lot. And it looks like nothing here. Good morning, girls. Today I have a kind of exciting vlog for you because I don't know how it will be. That's why I'm saying kind of. Alright, I'm on my way to Stockholm. I'm going for tea party, and I'll be part of the models. So I think they'll have a small fashion show or something like that. But that's not the interesting part. The interesting part is that it's high tea event. We get to wear those fancy clothes. Not fancy, but you know, we get to wear those fascinators and stuff. The thing is, I ordered something from ASOS, and then they're supposed to deliver it here at home, and that has been my biggest nightmare. I'm just so mad. You know, these DHL people, I think they are so lazy. I'm sorry, but oh God, how do you guys work with this? So they came here on Friday, and then they said, oh, they were ringing and nobody picked up. I was home the whole day. No one rang the door. Came on Saturday, left a similar SMS. We were home, me and Henrik, in case my ears don't work. Nobody rang the door. And I had paid for like direct shipment because I needed this thing so urgently. It should have come on Wednesday. Now it's Monday. It has not been delivered yet, and I'm just like, pfft. Anyway, so I managed to get a second option, but I'm really, really pissed off because I was so looking forward to my first option. And the sad thing is the shipment for that thing was more expensive than it is, so it doesn't even make sense for me to return it. I'm pissed. Anyway, with that rant, I hope we are on a good what a way to start a vlog, guys. Okay, let's go before I am too late. Oh, it's really hot. Oh my God. It's really hot, but the purpose of this is to literally hurt my armpit, vagina, nothing more. Yes, I do. So now we are in the changing room, just changing clothes.
Do the walk. Ooh.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
We're gonna do the, what are we gonna walk?
Okay, we're going to practice a walk.
Yeah.
Down there.
Young person wearing this.
Pants, like I have like
Okay.
pants. like someone
Makeup in full bloom.
that I wear all the time because I love the way it looks.
Oh wow, it looks so gorgeous here. Ah.
And the accessory she is wearing is, as I mentioned, Tuba
Okay. Hi.
Hi. Have fun editing.
Yes. Okay. Ooh. Someone's
That was
saying
really loud. Okay, bye.
Okay, so someone's talking right now. I don't know who it is, but I saw your camera, and I'm gonna leave you a little note. So you today were so amazing. Oh my god, and you're so pretty. Oh my god, you did so good. I hope you enjoy your day when you see this, and it puts a smile on your face. Sorry for using up your storage. Okay, bye.
We love you. Have fun editing. You were really good today, and you looked really good in that yellow, like greenish outfit. But bye. We love you.
If this makes it to your YouTube channel, everyone be nice.
And subscribe.
And you subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like and comment. Okay, bye.
Here's my outfit, guys. Now I'm fully changed into my outfit. I feel so sweaty. But here we are. Here we are. Now it's time to mingle, bingo.
Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste.
An update on DHL. So when I was about to reach Stockholm, so I get a message from DHL that my thing is finally here, and I was just like, yeah, perfect timing. And I'm so sorry, I'm so tired, but let's keep going. And now I'm back home. I want to try it on. This is it. Like, I wake up in the morning, I know I have a lot of things planned, and then I hope I will vlog, and I'm really optimistic to vlog. And then when things are happening, I just couldn't do it. I was so much in a hurry. I had, as you guys can see, I had different outfit changes. So this girl is exhausted. Excuse, I don't know how rough I look, but I'm hungry also. So I'm going to make myself a smoothie, give myself a little energy. And then I'll try the fascinator that I was supposed to wear originally. Hopefully it's better than this because it really stressed me out. And then probably if I have some energy and Henrik is in the mood, I can go take nice photos. Alright guys, oh, I feel like I'm sleeping. I don't even know what I'm saying. Tastes too good to be healthy. To me, it looks more like a child play, to be honest. It looks more like a baby. I don't know, it doesn't look so sophisticated. I like my plan B. It worked out much better. Like, this is fine, and the color is great. I mean, but I don't think it's giving me the sophistication I was going for.
You should have brought me for sophistication.
Yeah. Like, I'd give this a 5. it's not bad, but it's not amazing. Like, or maybe I'm just too pissed. I don't know. You guys judge me, roast this in the comments. And if you can see this, let me put it up close. So one spray of this is as much as 1 glass of water. I'm obviously never drinking any water. If I can spray this on my face. Oh. Okay ladies, so the foundation that we are testing on me is color Ebony, and it's so perfect. Oh my god. So this side we have foundation, this side we don't. It almost looks the same. It's like that makeup, no makeup look that we're all going for now, you know. It's not just exciting enough that I'm having my makeup professionally done. The dresses that I'll be wearing, or the dress that I'll be wearing tonight, you all ain't ready. I mean, you're not ready. Just like this video if you're ready for the dress. Yeah, but it feels so nice to just sit down, have your makeup done, scroll through Instagram, like photos. If you don't follow me, you can do that already. Yeah. So using, oh, that was so bright. That was really bright. All right, right there. So using natural lighting, this is what my makeup looks like. It's really dramatic, which is something we are going for here. And yeah, so now it's time to go fix my hair, and then it takes a whole village to get into these clothes, I'm telling you. Here we are. The village is behind me. We're going to help the next. All right, ladies, so we are working now. Now I'm just walking around. I'm using everyone. Oh, this city is way more busy than I thought. It's time to go home. Hey girls, yeah, there's a lot going on in this city. There's a lot of, the weather is bad, like it's really bad, but not the asses that you're about to see, okay? It's a carnival, guys. It's a carnival, and I'm here with Henrik. Of course, he likes carnivals, mostly food. He likes to have the street food, and I don't know, and I follow him for whichever reason, food.